JCF is a joke.
I will break it. Stop resisting. Sir, stop resisting, police. Stop resisting, police. I will break it. Stop resisting, police. What do you sir? You're under arrest. This orderly stand up. And you're not comply with the police. Turn the handcuff to right here, you know. Yeah, the leg off from the charge. That's it. Leg off from the man. Turn the handcuff to right here, you know, police. Turn the handcuff. Hey, look here. That's why I look here. Leg off from the
Alright, blessed dear. You don't know, Big Voice Radio in the building. Seeing what we want to talk about now. Let's see the video. A little preview. You know, say sometimes you have to take bad things, make laugh. As we Jamaicans would always say. That means say sometimes something serious, but you have to just make a joke out of it. Because when me I watch the video, and me I see, at first, as me see the video, me I say, hold on. So a police arrest police, because me could have swear, said the two police officer arrest the one on the ground. Me never even see, at first, the brother where them a try arrest. Me I look at me and say, wait, and what the police they do? Why them a try arrest him? When me look, is another man at the middle them a try arrest. The one man, a manhandle the three police. You serious? Yo, you can't believe that? No, sometimes you have to just laugh when you see some things. Come here and say, what them police here a feed pan? Because me want to know what them a eat. What them really a eat. Because there's no way them police they are drink some good cornmeal porridge and you know some peanut and banana blend up and oats and supplement and them thing there. Me no feel like them police here eat no food. Especially one on the ground. You know see how the man light?
Kiss me rascal. Me I tell you wickedness can't done.
The one man and the whole I man them. Really yo? Now man, police force, whoever in charge of them man, them need to do better. But in all seriousness though, friend and joke aside, them thing ya need to stop. Citizens, law-abiding citizens, them need to stop resisting arrests or stop resisting the police them. You know, see, only Jamaica alone, me see them really do them thing there and take them risk they do. Because if America yo with some police really serious, you know what that happen to them? And this would have happened.
He's got a knife. He's got a knife. Stay lethal. Stay lethal.
Shoot me! Shoot me!
Or even this.
Drop the knife now. Drop the knife.
Yo, me I tell you, them not run them joke there with police are foreign. Remember me tell you that. So the Jamaican them yo, me know say the police them sometimes them go overboard and them thing there, but yo, a law enforcers them yo. And there's no respect for law enforcement. And again, me not take up for the police them, me not know what happened. But I have an idea this fight back and everything yo, resisting arrest, a bad something in yo. Cause people can get hurt. You get what me I say? So people need to think twice and do the right thing. And the police them yo, you need to start carry out on the job professionally. And make people respect you. Because people no respect you yo. None at all. This power me I see, me no see no respect, me no see no fear. One time police used to instill fear in people. And out of fear you get respect. Nowadays, nobody no fear the police them. Nobody no respect the police them. Them thing are no good. You get to me and say, but the police them, you don't need to start eat some good food. You don't need to start go to gym. You don't need to start exercise. If you deal with them money, because them money are stronger on you and bigger on you. What are you going with? No. But big up on yourself still. Big voice radio in the building. A quick one. See? Big up on yourself.
Hungry, 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 hungry days again.
Hungry days again.
Jamaica is one of the most famous islands in the Caribbean, known for its reggae music, delicious cuisine, and laid-back culture. The island is home to some of the most beautiful beaches in the world.